Okay guys, so as you all know, obviously I am a real person, but to be honest, it's become really hard to differentiate humans from AI generated content. Take Noah here for instance. He's not real. Isn't that right, Noah?
Yes, that's right. I'm AI generated. Actually, you're the one who typed every word that I'm uttering at the moment. Without you, I wouldn't know what to say.
No, Noah, don't say that. I think you're doing great actually, you know?
Well, thank you, Dave. That's very kind of you. I feel a lot better now.
I'm glad to hear that. So would you like to do the announcement then for us, please?
Oh, really? Could I? That would be such a tremendous honor.
Sure. Go ahead.
Alright guys, so if you want to discover how you can turn your words into extremely realistic videos like this one, then keep on watching. Okay, so let's get started now.
Okay guys, and for this we're going to use PyPO. So as you can see, turn your words into videos. And actually it's multilingual as well, and you can select among a plethora of different actors, and everything is fully customizable. So all you have to do is to register with them. So get started and let me show you the offer they have at the moment. Well, the price structure is pretty simple. It's $25 per month if you go on a monthly basis. If you go on a yearly basis, you can save 20%. It's $20 per month. Now, if you go on the AppSumo website, you can get it for a one-time cost starting at just $49 US. So instead of a recurring payment, you pay $49 once and it's yours forever. Now, they have 3 different tiers depending on your monthly requirements, starting at just $49, the next one at $169, and finally $299. And again, don't forget, this is a once-off payment, that's all. Okay, guys, so once you log into your PyPO account, it will look something like this. So this is your dashboard. And as you can see by the side, we have different folders. So I've created one already, so we can create a folder very easily. So I'll just type the name here, okay, and then create. And now if you go into your folder, as you can see, there's nothing here. And now we can get started, okay? So we can create a new project. So let's get started. Okay, so first you'll have to select your actor. As you can see, there's quite a comprehensive selection here. So quite a few to choose from, you know? So if you don't want to scroll down and select among all of these, you can use the filter as well. As you can see, you can narrow down by gender, so maybe looking for male or just female, and also by ethnicity, age, and attire. So are they dressed casually or is it a formal dress code, you know? So that's really up to you, so feel free to select any of those. So just as an example, I'm just going to select the first one here, okay? If you're not too sure, you can have a preview as well. So if you click on preview,
this is a preview of what your actor in final video will...
So there you go, and if you're happy enough, you can use that actor, okay? So for this, basically, he will be placed in the center of your frame. Now you can move him to the left or to the right, so I'm just gonna leave it in the middle for now, okay? So right here we have the settings. So first you need to select your aspect ratio. So is it for YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok? And then you can decide which color you want for the background. So as you can see by default, it's a grayish color, but you can change it to whatever you want. So if you are planning to use this in Premiere or in editing software, you can use the green here, and then you can remove that in post-production with keyframing, you know, whichever way you want. Or you can just use any color you want, maybe just black or something like that, okay? Now you can use transparent altogether, but in this case, it will be saved as a WebM instead of MP4. So it might not be compatible with your editing software, you know, so just make sure it's working fine. So let's go ahead with the classic black here as an example. And when you select this actor also, the voice by default that will be assigned to it is Chase J. So you can change that very easily, okay? Now we can go to voices. And as you can see, you have all these different voices here, different accents as well. So Australia, US, UK, you know, and you have male and female, obviously, you know. So you can select any of those. You have narration, you have conversational, different tones as well, you know, promotional. So obviously they will sound different. So based on the type of output that you want, you might select one over the other. And again, you can filter things down. As you can see, you can select the language, you can select the gender, and also the style. So like we said, we have narration, conversational, promotional, and character, okay? So in this case here, let's go with something more promotional, okay? Just to show you, we're going to select a male, obviously, and the language is going to be English. So let's look for English here, and we're going to select English UK, just for a change, okay? And as you can see, the only match is Jarvis H. So let's have a quick listen.
This is a preview of what your actor's voice will sound like.
Very good. So let's use this one. Okay, all you have to do is click on it. And as you can see now, the voice is Jarvis H. Okay, so this is fine. And now all we have to do is to add the content of what we want him to say. Okay, so maybe something like this. Okay, so I purposefully chose a text that's quite boring, you know, just to see how the promotional aspect will come out. Okay. So this one, get ready to redefine the way you leverage data analytics with XYZ solution. Dive into a world where insight drive innovation. So as you can see, it's a pretty boring text altogether, script, you know. So So let's see how he will perform, okay? Now there are a few different things that you can add, like text as well, you can add title text, subtitle, and normal as well. So if you wanted a bit of text here, maybe to put the name of the person or subtitle or whatever, you can use this as well and just add this in between, okay? So now I'm not going to use subtitle, it's just to show you basically that's available. And you can also add elements. So as you can see, we have a black background. Maybe you want a video in the background of an office or something like this, Maybe you want to add pictures or image. You can add shapes as well, Maybe you want to add something specific out of that gallery here. And you can also add background music. So all you have to do is basically listen to the music. And if you wanted to add it as a background, as you can see, a new beginning, all you have to do is basically click on it and it will be added automatically, okay? And as you can see, we have a quick visual aid as well to remind us that we added a background music. So we have the script, we have the music, and now let's export, okay? So I'm going to click on this here. Very good. So this is 31 seconds in total, and let's click export. So as you can see, we'll go back to our dashboard. So it's processing 2%, 3%. So you can see it's in progress. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pause the video now and I'll meet you again when it's completed. All right, guys, as you can see, this is completed now. So right next to it, you have the actions here. So you can preview, download, edit, rename, duplicate, delete, and move to a different folder if you wanted to, okay? So what I'm going to do is just download it and play it now.
Get ready to redefine the way you leverage data analytics with XYZ solution. Dive into a world where insights drive innovation.
Unveiling the untapped potential of your data. Join us on a transformative journey, unlocking the power to understand consumer behavior like never before.
Experience the next level solution that amplifies your data's impact, guiding your business towards unparalleled success.
Vivez l'expérience de la solution de prochaine génération qui amplifie l'impact de vos données, guidant votre entreprise vers un succès inégalé.
体验下一级别的解决方案，放大您数据的影响，引导您的业务走向无与伦比的成功。
Okay, guys, so this last one was in Chinese, but as you can see, there's so many different languages. It's unreal. You have Arabic, what do we have? Bosnian, Bangla, Bulgarian, Chinese, Czech, Welsh, Danish, Greek. I mean, look at this, guys. This is just amazing, isn't it? Excellent. So I hope you found this interesting. And for the end, I'm just going to let Amy conclude for me.
Thanks for watching. And if you want to give this a go, as always, we'll leave all the links in the description below. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.